Hello guys, my name is Raul Rodas and I'm the 2012 World Barista Champion from Guatemala. As a professional barista, I like speed, accuracy, and making incredible espresso at home. And this is one of the reasons I love Casabrews and this specific model, Ultra. The espresso machine comes with the necessary gadgets for you to start making coffee and become a barista at home. First one, it comes with a tamper of 58mm tamper that is going to help you to make coffee every day. A cleaning needle, a plastic spoon, 2 pressurized double baskets, and 2 regular baskets with a portafilter for you to make your espresso every day. The espresso machine comes with a PID control system. Now you can choose different temperature depending on the coffee that you're using. You can choose in between 90 degrees, 92 degrees, 94 degrees, and 96 degrees Celsius. This will enhance the flavors of the coffee depending on the temperature that you're using, that you can play around with the Casabrews Ultra. The machine is beautiful. It's stainless steel and it can fit in your counter very easily. It comes with a very friendly control panel with an LCD system display. It also comes with a refillable tank of 2.2 liters for you to enjoy your espresso machine at home. It comes with a 58mm portafilter. Now this definitely is going to help you to become more professional barista at home. The machine comes with a 20 bar pressure and also pre-infusion. Now this will definitely help you with the flavors and also with the crema that you will have in your espresso as a professional barista. One of the key features of this machine is the steaming one and the pressure behind it. You can create really good microfoam to become a great latte art professional. For your best coffee experience, you can preheat your cups in top of the machine because it's already warm. Cleaning is very important. It comes with a detachable tray that is going to be very easy for you to clean. Now, if you're looking for a great espresso machine at home, definitely I recommend you the Casabrews and the model, the Ultra. You can look for it in the link below or go to the website casabrews.com, or you can find it also in the Amazon store. Definitely, you're going to be delighted with this machine.